Okay, so we've got everything lined up for the legs. Made sure that our final alignment is solid, and now it's just a matter of welding things up. So we're going to focus more of the heat on our 1-inch pieces here. Let's see if I can give you a good shot here of it too. So putting most of the heat onto our thicker 1-inch piece. There we go. There. Working to make sure that we get a good bond on that thicker piece of 1-inch square tubing. It's easy then to draw it into the thin stainless on the pot itself. Henrod torch really does a nice job with this. Really relaxing. There we go. So once this is cooled down, I'll show you our weld progress. But really nice process to do, and rather relaxing.